Hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Brandon Christopher King. As we go into today's episode, a memory of mine keeps playing in my mind. I once found myself lost in the world of tile installation. When it came to tile, slate was my favorite. Why? Because each piece was unique with its patterns and colors, much like each one of us. In my living area, those walls, graced with slate tiles, were the backdrop for aquariums that pulsed with life and topped with blooming flowers and intricate driftwood. I would often find myself deep in study on my computer, absorbing knowledge while being surrounded by this dynamic, ever-changing environment. And this brings me to the essence of today's topic: the uniqueness of each individual, the beauty of collective energy, and how they beautifully mesh together, much like my individual slate tiles that formed a cohesive picture. But I won't give it all away. Over to you, Bella, for a sneak peek into our episode.
Thanks, Brandon. Today, we will immerse ourselves in the concept of collective consciousness. We'll uncover how distinct thoughts and emotions, though individual, can resonate collectively, forming a harmonious image. And flowing from there, we'll explore the rivers of life flow theory, understanding our unique energy and its interactions with the world around us. Let's navigate this exploration of individuality and collective harmony, unearthing the power that emerges when we come together as one. Introduction to collective consciousness. In the framework of the cosmic connectivity paradigm, one pivotal idea emerges: collective consciousness. Picture, if you will, a beautiful mosaic. Each piece, distinct in color and design, represents a unique individual. While every piece is different, together they form a cohesive and harmonious image. In the same vein, each one of us carries our unique thoughts, emotions, and perspectives. Yet there are instances when a common feeling or understanding courses through many of us simultaneously. This alignment, where individual energies seem to echo a common sentiment or idea, is what we identify as collective consciousness. Recognizing and comprehending this shared mental and emotional resonance is crucial, as it underscores the potential of collective growth and evolution within the paradigm we are exploring. The mosaic of minds. Highlighting individuality. As we move closer to the mural, we realize that every tile holds its own story, mirroring the richness of life. Each one is an emblem of a unique soul, reflecting its joys, sorrows, aspirations, and dreams. These tiles, much like us, carry the weight of personal history and emotion, making them irreplaceable in the grand scheme. Cohesion. Amidst diversity. Zooming out, a remarkable pattern emerges. These unique tiles, each a world of its own, come together in harmony, forming a picture larger than themselves. Their edges may differ, their colors may contrast, but together they unveil a stunning portrait of unity. Similarly, in our world, diverse souls with varied experiences and backgrounds unite. From these multitudes, we shape communities, cultures, and societies, each individual contributing to a beautiful, shared narrative. Mosaic's collective power. Every tile, while fascinating on its own, gains a heightened significance when seen as part of the whole. It's the combined beauty of each tile that transforms the mural into a breathtaking masterpiece. Drawing a parallel to our world, the magnificence isn't just in individual experiences, but in the shared moments that propel societies forward. When individuals come together, sharing stories, wisdom, and dreams, the result is a collective strength that drives progress, innovation, and harmony. Concluding note on this segment. In the vastness of our universe, it's the individuality of every star that makes the night sky so mesmerizing. Similarly, in our intricate mosaic, it's each unique tile that grants it depth and beauty. Yet it's essential to remember that while every tile shines in its individuality, it's their collective alignment that creates the breathtaking whole. Appreciate the unique stories, dreams, and experiences that every person brings, but always recognize the incredible power and beauty that emerges when we come together as one. Rivers of life, flow theory, and collective consciousness. Introduction to Rivers of Life. Flow theory. Imagine for a moment a serene river winding through a landscape. It pulses with life, carrying with it stories, memories, and energy. Just like this river, every living being, from the tiniest microorganism to the grandest blue whale, possesses a unique flow of energy. This essence, this vital force moves within us, reflecting our emotions, our thoughts, our dreams, and even our fears. The Rivers of Life flow theory captures this very notion, presenting the idea that we all possess a distinct energy flow. This energy isn't just a random surge, it's shaped by our experiences, our aspirations, our environment, and our interactions. It's the rhythm that dances in our hearts when we're ecstatic and the quiet lull that envelops us in moments of reflection. In essence, we are not just physical beings. We are energetic entities, continuously vibrating, oscillating, and interacting with the energies around us. By understanding this flow, we can better appreciate the beauty of life and the connections that thread us together. Individual energy signatures. Just as every fingerprint is distinct, marking our individual identity, so too is the energy that flows within us. Think of it as a melody, a song that's entirely our own. While some notes might be upbeat, reflecting our happiest memories, others could be soft and mellow, mirroring times of introspection or sorrow. It's this array of notes and rhythms that form our individual energy signature. Each of us holds a symphony within, a composition that evolves as we grow, learn, and experience. This song isn't just a solitary tune. It's a culmination of every laugh we've shared, every tear we've shed, every challenge we've faced, and every dream we've chased. When we come into contact with others, it's as if two melodies meet, sometimes harmonizing beautifully, and at other times, creating a discordant note. But even in those moments of discord, there's an opportunity to learn, adjust, and create a new harmony. Embracing our unique energy signature allows us to better understand ourselves, recognize our strengths, and navigate our weaknesses. It's our guiding tune, one that we should always listen to, cherish, and celebrate. The confluence of energies. Imagine standing at the edge of two rivers, each flowing gracefully on its own path. Over time and distance, these two rivers edge closer until they meet, merging into a single, mightier stream. This is much like our individual energies. Each of us carries our own river of energy, crafted by our experiences, emotions, and thoughts. And at times, these rivers find common ground, merging to form a more formidable force. Consider those times when you've been in a room filled with anticipation or excitement. Perhaps it was at a concert, a pivotal sports game, or even during a touching moment shared with family or friends. In those instances, it's as though many individual streams of energy unite, forming a vast, palpable river of shared emotion. This merging isn't always planned. It can be spontaneous, like when a crowd bursts into applause or when a community comes together in the face of adversity. But the outcome is invariably powerful. When these energies converge, they create waves that ripple out, influencing others, shaping events, and leaving an indelible mark on the collective memory. Such moments remind us of our shared human experience. Even as individual rivers of energy, with our unique flows and nuances, there are moments when our currents align, amplifying the beauty, strength, and resonance of our combined energies. The echo of shared resonance. Picture a quiet lake, its waters still and tranquil. Drop a single stone into it and ripples form, gently spreading outwards. Now, imagine multiple stones thrown in unison. The ripples they create intersect, amplify, and reverberate, turning the once still lake into a lively dance of waves. In a similar vein, each of us carries our unique energy, sending out our personal ripples into the world. When we find alignment with another, be it in thought, emotion, or purpose, our energies resonate in harmony, like two instruments playing the same note. Now magnify that. Imagine countless individuals aligning in a shared emotion, perhaps joy, compassion, or determination. This collective resonance doesn't just double or triple, it magnifies exponentially. It's as though an orchestra has begun to play, each instrument adding depth, volume, and richness to the melody. This amplified energy has immense power. Not confined to a single room or community, it can radiate outward, touching hearts and minds across continents. Think of global movements sparked by shared ideals or moments when humanity as a whole felt a surge of emotion. This shared resonance has the potential to inspire, heal, and even transform the pulse of global consciousness. In recognizing and cherishing these moments of shared resonance, we grasp the profound potential of collective energy and its power to shape the world. Benefits of aligned energy flows. In a world brimming with unique souls, there's a rare magic that surfaces when energies align. This alignment, subtle yet powerful, carries a myriad of advantages that ripple through individuals and communities alike. Imagine standing in a bustling square where everyone starts humming the same tune spontaneously. There's a palpable shift in the atmosphere, isn't there? Suddenly, the myriad of voices unite in harmony, each adding depth and richness to the collective melody. This is the beauty of shared understanding, a clear and resonant alignment of individual energies resulting in an experience that's far more potent than any solo performance. Now consider a group of people working on a project. When all involved are aligned in purpose and passion, efforts synchronize effortlessly. Like a well-oiled machine, every move complements the other, propelling the entire endeavor forward with grace and efficiency. But perhaps the most profound advantage of aligned energy flows is collective empowerment. When individuals resonate together, they form a formidable force, capable of sparking change, fostering healing, and achieving milestones. The strength of one, when multiplied, becomes an avalanche of potential, ready to transform challenges into opportunities and dreams into reality. The symphony of aligned energies does more than just create beautiful music. It builds bridges, ignites fires, and lights the way for a brighter, more harmonious future. Closing note on this segment. Within the intricate dance of existence, the cosmic connectivity paradigm shines a light on the ebb and flow of energies that define and shape our experiences. Every individual with their unique rhythm and resonance contributes to the symphony of life, painting a vivid picture of diversity and individuality. Yet, it's in the alignment of these energies that the true potential is unveiled. Like harmonious notes in a grand orchestra, when these flows converge, they elevate the collective experience, fostering understanding, unity, and a shared purpose. Diverse groups, be they communities, societies, or even global collectives, stand to benefit immensely from this alignment. Recognizing and harnessing the power of these energy flows paves the way for a world where differences are celebrated, but it's the unity in intent and purpose that drives us forward. As we navigate the challenges and opportunities of our times, let this understanding be our compass, guiding us toward a future where harmony doesn't just remain an ideal, but becomes our lived reality. Together, in resonance, we have the potential to craft a world of unparalleled beauty and understanding. Brandon, you've painted such a vivid image of your living space earlier, and I'm really curious. With those walls adorned with unique slate tiles, the ever-changing aquatic life, and what is this I hear about free-flying finches, it must have been a truly mesmerizing setting to find oneself in. What was it like, watching all that life unfold right before your eyes?
Ah, Bella, that room was a microcosm of life itself. Imagine watching amphibious plants like impatiens and ruellia not only grow but flourish and flower. Seeing fish both lay eggs and have live births, and then witness the incredible sight of them hatching and the parents guarding and nurturing their young. The dance of tetras as they schooled together was always fascinating. And those finches, they found a home amidst the greenery, laying their eggs and then raising their young right before my eyes. Studying amidst this plethora of life, I was constantly reminded of the intricate balance and beauty of life. This just scratched the surface of the life that was in that room, but we will save that for a later episode. It wasn't just about the life in that room. It was also about the harmony of all the elements, the uniqueness of each tile, the character of the driftwood, the functionality of the plumbing, and so much more. Each element, while individual, contributed to a grand, cohesive ecosystem.
It sounds like such a powerful reflection of today's topic. Just as every individual, with their distinct energies, emotions, and experiences, comes together to create the beautiful collective consciousness. It's fascinating to see how our personal surroundings can mirror such profound concepts.
Absolutely, Bella. Life has a way of showing us the bigger picture in the most intimate settings.
Such a captivating narrative, Brandon. To our listeners, make sure you don't miss the rest of episode 6. We get even deeper into these ideas, and you won't want to miss it. Subscribe, follow us on our platforms, give us a like, and share your thoughts with us. Together, let's explore the power of unity in diversity.